Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to reverse your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, as you can see, I have a video down here. Let's just play that through. As you can see, he's running towards the camera. And let's say you want to do something funny. You want him to go backwards. You want him to just run backwards back across this bridge, okay? So all that you're going to do is click on it, right click, you have this big old drop down menu here, and you want to get speed/duration. So this is mainly used for the speed of the video here, but you can see we have this little check mark here which says reverse speed, and if you tap that, press OK, you can see, I tell you what, let's go a bit higher on. He's now running backwards in the video, as your speed is now at -100%. So he's running backwards, and it is literally that easy how to reverse a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and yeah, see you later.